Arnott is pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for the 2005 to 2014 Land Rover Discovery LR3, LR4, and Range Rover Sport. One of the signs of an air suspension leak is when the compressor fails because it is overworked. Arnott offers ready-to-install OES air suspension compressors that are tested and fitted with application-specific mounting hardware. In this video, we show how to install the AMK Air Suspension Compressor from Arnott for the 2005 to 2014 Land Rover Discovery LR3, LR4, and 2006 to 2014 Range Rover Sport. Air Suspension Compressor Removal. Removal Step 1. Prepping for removal. Open the hood and locate the fuse box battery cover. Remove the fuse box covers and air suspension compressor relay. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal Step 2. Wheel removal. Locate the rear left wheel to access the air suspension compressor. Remove the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal Step 3. Disconnecting the power to the air compressor. Locate and remove the 3 bolts holding the compressor cover to the vehicle. Separate the 5 clips and remove the cover to expose the air suspension compressor. Disconnect the 2 electrical plugs from the vehicle to the compressor. Removal Step 4. Disconnecting the air lines. Remove the air hose at the front of the compressor by pushing in the quick connect fitting and pulling out the air hose. Remove the J-shaped hose from the distribution block. Remove the 2 air hoses at the back of the compressor by pushing in the quick connect fittings and pulling out the air hoses. Removal Step 5. Removing the air compressor. Locate and remove the 3 bolts holding the compressor bracket assembly to the vehicle. Save these bolts for reinstallation. Remove the compressor bracket assembly from the vehicle. Air suspension compressor installation. Install Step 1. Prepping for installation. Install the new air fitting supplied with the kit into the distribution block, tightening to 2 nanometers. Install the air hose cap onto the larger air hose towards the back of the compressor mounting area. Install Step 2. Installing the compressor and air lines. Install the new Arnott compressor bracket assembly onto the vehicle using the factory mounting hardware. Install the intake air hose into the quick connect at the back of the compressor. Remove the 2 white shipping pins, one on the compressor, one on the distribution block, and install the new J-shaped hose provided with the kit. Connect the 2 electrical plugs from the compressor to the vehicle and secure back in place. Install step 3, wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install step 4, relay installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Replace the relay with the one provided in the kit. Reinstall the fuse box covers. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. Most compressors go bad because of an air leak, which causes the compressor to overheat. Don't void your compressor's warranty. Inspect your air springs for any leaks, cracks, or excessive wear.